Hello, Western students! Are you living off campus or renting in London? If yes, then you should know what rights you are entitled to as a tenant. In this video, we will be discussing the Ontario Residential Tenancies Act, also known as RTA, a provincial legislation governing relations between landlords and tenants. Now for today's agenda. We will first start by discussing if you are covered by the Residential Tenancies Act, the protections and rights provided if covered by RTA, how to know if you are not covered by RTA, and the protections you still have if not covered. Now let's get into things. Are you covered by RTA? If a tenant does not share a bathroom or kitchen with their landlord or the landlord's immediate family member, they are covered by Ontario Rental Law. To read more about if you are covered by Ontario Rental Law, Google the Residential Tenancies Act 2006 on the ontario.ca website or visit Western's off-campus housing website at offcampus.uwo.ca/rental_law.cfm. As a tenant in Ontario, you have legal rights. These rights are explained in the Human Rights Code and the Residential Tenancies Act. Some important rights are as follows. Privacy. Under RTA, your landlord must give you 24 hours notice before showing up or entering your rental property for reasons such as maintenance repairs, checkups, or rental showings. You are also allowed to give your landlord 60 days notice to terminate your lease, regardless of what your landlord or original lease might say. A safe home. Your house needs to be secure and in good condition. Even if you were aware of issues prior to deciding to rent the house, this still holds true. Vital services. Access to heat, hot and cold water, power and fuel are essential services, such as natural gas. Even if you have not made your rent payments, your landlord cannot cut off these services. In order to conduct repairs, your landlord could briefly interrupt services. You or your landlord may be responsible for paying for essential services. Controlled rent increases. Your landlord may rise your rent once in a 12-month period. The amount of the increase has to be within the legal limits. In Ontario, there are some circumstances that would result in your rental lease not being covered by Ontario Rental Law. In the case that you do share a bathroom or kitchen with the landlord or their immediate family as a roommate, you are not covered by Ontario Rental Law. Even in the case that you are not covered by Ontario Rental Law, you still have the ability to negotiate with your landlord. As always, if you have any questions or concerns regarding your lease or rental property prior or after signing your lease, please contact us. You can reach us on our website at offcampus.uwo.ca. Here you can book an appointment with off-campus housing or one of our off-campus advisors. You can also give us a call at 519-661-3550 or visit our office in person at Ontario Hall, room 3C1 on Sarnia Road.